It is another Sunday market review. You can call it signals or forecast that we bring to you every Sunday. Yes, this channel is dedicated to give you the best when it comes to the forex market. So every Sunday, we provide you signals, trading opportunities, forecast that you can actually trade with when the market opens for the week. So this week, we have a signal here for you. And we know the signals that we provide here will actually go a long way to help you in your trading journey. In the signal, we have analysis that you will get to know how we analyze the market. We also have one or two things that as we go along, some tips will be shared that you will be able to know that, okay, this is what happens and this is what it is. Is that okay? So all this in the Sunday market review or analysis. My name is Kofi, your admin for this channel, Leading Forex. Let me thank the subscribers for holding us down on this channel. We are grateful for being part of this community. God bless all of you. Now, let's go straight into the video and see what we can grab for today as the week begins or as we prepare for another week. So let me share the slides with you quickly. Then we look at what is available for today. Now, we are here now on our screen. And this is the TradingView platform that we often use for the analysis. Okay, if you look at this, you can see that it's on last Sunday's signal or last Sunday's market review that we gave. Now you can see how bullish GBP JPY went. It went over, I don't know, only God can tell. But if you look at it, our 100 pips got hit so easily. It got hit so easily. This is on the 4-hour time frame. So that should tell you how many pips this trade has actually gone. If you want to really calculate or look at it, our TP got hit, but let's extend this to see how many pips this trade made to the upside. That is how many pips. Look at it. How many pips to the upside? That is almost 350 pips to the upside. 350 to the upside. But we wanted just 100. And it was so easy for us to get the 100. You get it? So when we say analysis, this is what we do on this channel every Sunday. This is what we do every Sunday. Now, during the week, that was on Wednesday, I gave another signal. Now, by Wednesday, I'll come out with a review on that too. But since this one was that of last Sunday, I need to take you to it so that you can see what the outcome is. So this is the outcome of last Sunday's market review. Now, it was a great win. If you are ready for this week, then let's go straight into the video. Now, quickly, this week, we have to look at the calendar to be sure of what news or data is coming in the forex market. And this week, I have just filtered the major news that will be coming. And here they are. So between Monday to Friday, these are the major news items that will be released in the forex market. So this data or news will have effect on the forex market, especially when the envelope are in red. It means high impact. So the news will have high impact on the currencies that are here. So all this news that are coming will have impact on these currencies that are here. So it's very important for you to know what news they are and how they will come so that you can be ready. In case you'll be taking a trade that will involve any of them, you will know how to position yourself. Is that okay? Good. So as you can see, on Monday, which is tomorrow, today's date is 21st of May, 2023. 21st of May, Sunday. So tomorrow, Monday, there's going to be a bank holiday in Canada. So the whole of Canada, there will be a holiday. No bank will open for the forex activities. So that is that on Monday. On Tuesday, we have a few of the major news coming, and that is on USD, GBP, and then Euro. So all this news will affect these major currencies. And then on Wednesday, we have a very, very important news coming on Wednesday, which is NZD, official rate or cash rate or interest rate, if you call it. So on Wednesday, around 2 a.m. my time. So if you go on my Forex Factory, you may see what time it is in your country, but mine is GMT, so 2 a.m. GMT. That is midnight here in my country, Ghana. So at 2 a.m., there will be this news from New Zealand, which happens to be their interest rates. So as it stands now, it is anticipated that it will be increased. That is the anticipation. That is the forecast. So all these here is the forecast. And then the actual will come here. The actual will come here. So now the forecast for these news on Wednesday is this. The interest rate used to be 5.25. It is forecasted to go to 5.50. And if that happens, it means NZD, which is the currency, will be very, very strong, will be very bullish or strong if that happens. But if it comes lesser than this forecast, then it means NZD will be very weak. That is the whole interpretation. I have a video on that already. So if you haven't watched that video, please go back to the playlist, Forex Training for Beginners. That is the name for the playlist. I have almost about 60 videos in that playlist. Watch all of them, and I'm sure you'll come to understand or appreciate this data that is released in the Forex market on daily basis. So there's a video out there on this already, so you can get it and watch. Okay, so on Wednesday, this very important news is coming. It will be midnight in my country, but I don't know what time it will be in your country. And then the same Wednesday, GBP CPI, another major news on GBP, 6 a.m. on Wednesday. And then 9:30, the governor for Bank of England will speak. And then on 1 p.m., at 1 p.m., on Wednesday at 1 p.m., he will speak again. Wow. And this is very interesting. He will be speaking at 9:30 in the morning and speak again at 1 o'clock p.m. my time. And then around 6 p.m., there's going to be a meeting, FOMC meeting minutes in the US. So that will be released around 6 p.m. my time. And then on Thursday, we have prelim GDP on USD and then unemployment claim on USD. And then on Friday, we're going to have the core PCE price index, which is also on USD. That is around 12:30 p.m. on Friday, my time. So these are all the major news that will be taking place in the market on, should I even say on, in this week. Let me put it that way, in this week. So now let's go to what signal we are looking at or what signal we are preparing to trade. So the very first signal I am looking at is EURAUD. EURAUD. So EURAUD, this is on 4-hour time frame. I'm looking at EURAUD a sell. So I'm going to pick my sell to mark. I have told you that the sell to and the buy to is just for demarcations. It's just for you to mark your trades. So the sell position tool is here. I pick it and mark. Yes, so this is a sell trade that we are looking for. So as usual, our take profit is going to be, let's go for stop loss first, 100. 100 stop loss. And then it's a profit of 100 as well. It's a profit of 100. There's 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 100. Okay, 99, 200. Come on, 100. Okay, so this is it. EURAUD, we are looking for a sell opportunity. Now, quickly, let me put the take profit and the stop loss on it so that it will be easier. So the take profit here, sorry, let's go with the stop loss first. So the stop loss is going to be 1.63401. And then the take profits, the TP, is going to be 1.61386. So this is TP. Now, the entry at the moment is on, okay, let me go back. The entry is on 1.62412, but I often don't like to write the entry because, oh, what happened? I often don't like to write the entry because when at this moment that I'm doing the video, the market is closed. So it is possible that when the market opens, it may not open on this price. There may be a gap, or maybe what we call swap or whatsoever. This will not be swap. There may be a gap. Okay. So since there's going to be a gap or a spread wide, it is possible that it may not be on this entry. So that is why I often don't like to put out my entry or give out the entry because the market is closed. But this is the entry price in case you want it. So the concentration should be on the stop loss and then the take profit. So the TP, once again, the TP, I don't know how it's cleared, but let me write it again. 1.61386. So this is the TP. So your concentration should be on the stop loss and the TP because the entry can change because the market is closed at this moment. Today is Sunday. The market will be opening here tonight around 9 p.m. my time, but I don't know what time it is in your country. Mine is GMT, that's my time. UK is ahead of me just an hour. So that is that. We have only 1 hour difference between Ghana and UK. Yes. So if you want to use London time, the London time is just 1 hour between Ghana and then London. All right. So you can use that to determine your time. Okay. I am also seeing another signal, but I am actually not going to give analysis on it. I'm also seeing Euro NZD sell. Okay. I'm also seeing Euro NZD sell. But the reason I don't want to do much on it is because of the interest rate decision that is coming on Wednesday. Because of that interest rate decision. That is why I don't want to do much on it. I'm also seeing a sell on Euro NZD. So maybe if you want to try it out, fine. By putting a sell on Euro NZD, that is fine. Okay, that's fine. But like I said, there's an interest rate decision coming, and because of that, there may be uncertainties in the market. So that's why I'm skipping it totally. But if you want to consider, fine, you can consider it. Okay, so what else do I need to share with you? I think that is that. Maybe one would say that I didn't throw more light on the Euro AUD. Why did I come by that signal? Okay, I think that is also a valid question I should answer. Why did I come by this signal? How did I come by this signal? Okay, if you look through the daily, you'll see that Euro NZD is on the down move. And it has picked, it has broken through this level. If you look through, it has broken through this level. This is the candle that broke through this level, which was a support level, got broken. Now, whenever support gets broken, sometimes it does what we call a pullback. It does what we call a pullback. And now the pullback will be on the candle on which there was that U-turn, and which is on this candle. This bearish candle you are seeing here, if I have to clear. It's on this bearish candle that the market reversed and went back up. So we'll look at that bearish candle and take it into consideration. So if we are taking that bearish candle into consideration, we are looking at the end of it. This was the end of that bearish candle. And this is also the end of it. So it was on this bearish candle that the market broke and came and made its way down to another lower low. So if the market is doing a pullback, it must do a pullback to retest the level, the end level of this bearish candle. And it did exactly that at this level. If you look at it, it went back up to test that candle and started making its way down. So now that this is making its way down, it means that if for nothing at all, this lower low should be broken. So the next target we are looking at is this level here. This is the level we are waiting for. for it to be tested, because this one is broken. So this is no more valid. We are looking at this level to be tested. This is purely price action. This is price action. It has nothing to do with indicators or whatsoever. So now that this level is broken, which is this one, it has to go back and test the last end of it. So in between, there must be a reversal. Indeed, it did. It got to that level again, tested it, and then started reversing back down. So we are expecting the next level as a support, which is this area. This is the next support. This is the immediate support. One will say, what of this one? This one is broken. It was tested, but if you look at it, this trade here came to test that one and made its way back. Now that it is coming, it is no more coming because of this one. It is coming down because of this one, which is the down one here. So we are expecting a sell movement down. That is what we are expecting to see. So that is how come on the 4-hour, I'm able to call a sell, because you can see how the trade made a reversal from that point. You can see it. So this is the level it tested severally on 3 occasions or so. It tested and made its way down. So this level must be broken. And then the next support must be looked at, which is somewhere down here. But we are not trying to target up to this level. We are just looking for this level here as our next target, which is about 100 pips. That is about 100 pips. That is what we are looking for. So that is how come I called a sell on this trade. That's how come I called a sell on Euro AUD. So now you understand why, or the reason I came out with this signal. As we give out signals, we need to also learn. So that is that. Now we are done. We will have to put on this trade when the market opens. And then in the course of the week, we'll see how it turns out. And trust me, at the next Sunday, which is next week Sunday, we will meet again and review it and see how the market will treat us. Until then, my name is Kofi. If you want mentorship, you can always contact me for one-on-one mentorship. We'll be available to do that. I'm actually even compiling a mentorship program videos, a package that maybe if anyone is interested, I may just have to send it to you, you watch. But I'm now working on that. It is not yet ready. So once the package is ready, once I'm able to put out all these videos in one package as a mentorship program package, I'll give it out. I'll share it out to those who are interested with some little token. Okay. So that is that. My name is Kofi, your admin. I'll see you again at the end of this week. Until then, take care and be good. I'm out.